Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about smart carbs on Nutrisystem and some of the top smart carbs that people are putting in their NuMi apps and why you guys should probably put them in yours too. But first, if you guys are new here, my name is Sandy and this channel is all about health and fitness and of course the Nutrisystem journey. I have a whole playlist, so if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe down below, don't forget to comment. I'll be sure to give you a bright warm welcome, and I'll be making some Nutrisystem videos this coming summer as well as just some weight loss journey tips. So before I get started on this list, don't forget to check out the link down below for 50% off of Nutrisystem. It will benefit you and it also helps benefit me because then I can focus on making more of these kind of videos for you guys. So whether you want to start Nutrisystem or whether you're trying to restart Nutrisystem and you've been off for a few months and you want to restart, that link will still work all the same. Okay, so the first smart carb I wanted to bring up was bananas because they are so versatile. I like that they are portable. They're just a really easy snack. A lot of the ones that I'm going to mention are going to be easy to carry along just out of convenience. And bananas are good because they have vitamins B6 and C. They have lots of fiber, potassium. So that means it's going to help aid you with your digestion and keep you regular, if you know what I mean. So you can eat banana in various ways. You can obviously just eat it all on its own, but you can also chop it up and put it on top of yogurt, which would count as a power fuel and a smart carb. Or you can fry up the banana a little bit to make it nice and soft. You can put a little bit of coconut flakes on top of it or something, and it would be a nice dessert. You can also freeze it and then blend it up and make some ice cream and make it into a dessert, you know? So you can have fun with it. There's different things you can do with it. If you guys are looking for more recipes, again, don't forget to subscribe down below because I'm going to be making different recipes. That way you can kind of have fun with these things. So the second fruit that's on my list are apples. They are also high in antioxidants and they are also high in fiber. So just about everything on my list is going to fall under that criteria. And it's just a really good on-the-go snack. You can eat it as is, you can chop it up and you can bake it with some cinnamon and make it into a nice dessert. You can easily chop them up into thin pieces and bake them and make them into apple chips. So again, just lots of things that you can do with apples. So the next ones on the list are grapes and watermelon because they are a low-calorie snack, but they are high in water content. So in the summer, they're going to keep you really refreshed. And then you can also put them inside of the freezer if you want more of a dessert because then they'll be more like popsicles. And on top of these being low calorie, because of the high water content, you are going to eat less of it because the water will fill you up a lot faster. Okay, so the next one is blueberries and strawberries, and I put these toward the end because they are higher in sugar. But if you eat a good handful of them, you can put them on top of your oatmeal and get those extra antioxidants because even though they are a little bit higher in sugar, you might want to watch how much you eat on it. They still have a lot of good qualities. You get your vitamin C from them. You can put them on yogurt. You can put them on desserts. They're just a really good snack to have around. The next category is going to be brown rice, whole wheat bread, multigrain crackers, and multigrain bread. And of course you're going to want to keep these in smaller moderations, but I still wanted to include these because I know that some of us want to stay away from bread. It can be a slippery slope with bread. However, you can include a little bit of the whole wheat and multigrain bread if you want to add a little bit more B6 to your diet. It also obviously is high in fiber. It is high in magnesium. And it is a slow burning carb, which means that it's going to digest a lot slower. It's going to keep you moving. It's going to keep you full longer throughout your day, opposed to something like white bread, which is going to burn up really quick. It's going to put our sugar levels up higher. It's going to spike them up, and then it's going to drop us back down. So as long as you're going into wheat bread, then it should be a slow digestive process. It'll keep you full, and then it'll eventually leave your body, and then your blood sugar levels will not be spiking like crazy, putting you in bad moods or making you hungrier throughout the day. So some very simple ways of including this obviously could be toast. I like avocado toast, so I'll just toast a piece of whole wheat bread and then I'll slice up maybe like 1/4 of an avocado. I love adding everything but the bagel seasoning. Another thing that I really like to have about an hour and a half before the gym is like a tablespoon of peanut butter, and then I will have a little bit of bananas on top sometimes, or just peanut butter bread. because they both, like the fat with the carbohydrate, they're both slow burning. And by the time you get to the gym, you still feel not overly full, but you still feel like you have something in your system. Another thing I like to have are open-faced sandwiches, which is pretty much just having the one slice of bread. I mean, you can have the whole sandwich if you want, but I just like putting a little bit of tuna on top, or chickpea tuna, or chickpea mixed with avocado. That's really good too. So those are just a few of my ideas. Let me know if you guys have any other ideas for things like that, sandwich worthy shares. I'll try to post more healthy recipes on my Instagram. Also, if you guys are interested in how you can make your Nutrisystem taste a little bit better, or be a little bit more creative with your sides and how you're supposed to make your meal a little bit more filling and bigger, I have all the what I eat in a days down below in the Nutrisystem playlist, so check those out. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information.